We're just waiting a few more people to get in. But welcome. Oops. Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, good day, good earnings, wherever you are. It is so great to see a lot of familiar faces, but especially the new faces. That is absolutely thrilling. Isn't that so, Patricia? That is really good to go ahead and see you, Barbara, and see you. Um, is that Sadhu Daika? Sadhu Daika, that is really great to see you. You'll correct me on that name later. And Vince, thank you for being here as well, Daniel and Roger. Good to see you all. So this is an exciting event, and we're going to go ahead and get started right after this.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We're All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We're All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Wonderful. So you are all as excited as I am, and I'm Grace, and it gives me great pleasure and privilege to be the host for this event. So today we have, in this order, a presentation, and then I believe we have come to see is Chavez. He will be providing us some information.
Hello, Grace. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Chavez.
Yes, I would like to take 5 minutes first, and then we will see the presentation, and then because my updates are very quick, and well, today is Friday, and by now what we have done is
recording in progress.
Okay, so what we have done is we have entirely finished the process of deployment. So in this stage, what happened? The auditors suggested us some vulnerabilities which were there in the smart contract and the code that could potentially lead the code of smart contract and the application to be visible in any way to some other developers. So the vulnerabilities were not based on users or application or use of application, but yes, what as a tech team we are focusing on is securing the exclusivity of the code. That with that, by not sharing or by not keeping it open source in any way, the smart contract as well as the source code of the application. So that's where everything rests. So today what I have done along with the team is we shared dialogues between the auditors and us, and they shared the vulnerabilities and we fixed them. We handed over the new code to them with after fixing the high, low and medium level vulnerabilities on the code level, and We are yet to receive the response from them. So what I have done, I have shared the audit report with Lucky, as she is the top leader, 001 of We Are All Satoshi, and my companion in all times. Uh, every leader is important to me. Please understand this. Every other leader who is at the last point of the structure is dear and close and important to me. But the reason why I have not shared the audit report with the whole community or other leaders is because I want to make it or keep it very secure in terms of in terms of vulnerability that can come upon us by other people or competitors who can potentially try to even contact or get some information from the audit report, because audit report publishes the vulnerabilities, audit report publishes all the functionalities of the code which are implied and which are applied for the application. So this is potentially you know very sensitive in terms of making it public. Well, I can make it public to the whole community, no problems. But again, so in affiliate marketing industry, when something is public, it goes to everyone. So I just want to make sure that the sanctity of the code and the approach that we are using is intact, and that gives Boomerang another big edge in the market, that nobody can copy or replicate what we have created. So this is the task which is going on. Once these reports come back to us, we will simply deploy the application over the URL that is prescribed for Boomerang, and after that there will be no other thing. So everything in terms of launch is done. There is nothing which is left, or there is no activity including whitelisting, including testing, backend, including the user base, load testing, because all the users will try to interact with the dApp together at the same time when we will go live. So we understand the traffic and the potential load which can come upon the dApp. So we are prepared even for that. So everything is done. Now I'm waiting to hear back from the auditors, and we will push it live. So as promised, this week we are going live and we will go live. So stay tuned, keep in touch with your leaders. I will try to make sure that I'll be on call tomorrow as well, so that as soon as I have the best possible reply, because what we have currently is the running version of MVP ready. I am running this in localhost. I can share my screen and run it right now, but it is no good for you. It will be just like a presentation to you. So as long as you cannot access the dApp with the URL, it is not a live MVP product to you. So I will not try to entice the market or show or present as a marketing opportunity from my screen. But yes, let it go live on the domain and you yourself test it, use it, and make profits, and let us know how it works. So this is how it's going to be. So can't wait for tomorrow to share more information, and hopefully tomorrow on the call, if everything goes well, then we will push it live tomorrow itself.
Shavez, so tomorrow, oops, I'm sorry. So tomorrow for the call, tomorrow is Saturday. Is Saturday support day. So we'll be expecting you then.
So I will be there. Yes, I will be there on Zoom. If everything is worked out till tomorrow, then we will go live by tomorrow. If not, then Sunday. But I will be there on call, as I promised, every single day.
Okay. And so will we take some questions at this time?
Well, the questions will be same, so don't worry, and don't try to now contact Lucky only to get all the updates. She has just seen the audit reports from the auditors, the pointers that auditors shared, about the vulnerabilities and how we are fixing it. So this is the information firsthand I shared with Lucky today to make sure that community and corporate are intact. Well, there is no corporate in this whole scenario. This is all of us as a family working together. So yes, trying to make sure that it is intact, it is safe, and you also realize that every leader is important to me, and I'm not trying to restrict any information or fact to be shared, but yes, this is very sensitive for us as an organization, and I will make sure it is kept safe. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and start at the UK prime time. We'll be looking forward to seeing you then.
I will start, yes.
Okay, and we'll take some questions tomorrow.
Definitely. If everything goes well, then we will deploy the DApp on the domain, and I have shared the domain with Lucky as well to make sure that she, as a counterpart of the community, is updated with first-hand information, and whole community understands the progress that we are making. So I will make sure first thing that I will come on call and I will demonstrate, but I'm keeping her posted.
Okay. Alrighty. So demonstration and questions tomorrow. This is going to be very, very exciting. Fantastic.
Yes. And as soon as we go live, we will also start the Zoom trainings for everyone. And I will make sure I will sit with all the leaders here on Zoom, whosoever want to join, and we will train everyone so that others can train everyone else.
Okay. That's super. Thank you so much. Okay, then great. And so we'll just proceed with the presentation now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. And I'll let you know, and you can come back and say hello or goodbye.
Oh, definitely.
Yes. All righty. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Take care. Bye, David.
Okay, so I believe it's Isabel is ready for the presentation. So let's go ahead and get started by our master presenter today is Sheba Joe, a good friend and well enthused about this particular